Professor, you have empowered so many students by making them feel seen, by giving them the academic tools that would support their activism, but while always nurturing their fire. I will take everything you taught me with me to bring on systematic change. Merci pour tout.
Hi Fred, I just wanted to take a quick moment to say a big thank you for the impact you had on my educational journey, not only during the master's degree at VUB, but also and most importantly, after my studies. Thank you for being a great source of inspiration, for your enthusiastic approach to teaching, for your passion, which was contagious, and thank you for being not only just a professor, but a guiding light, and for always challenging the way we think, and for encouraging us to take risks and go the extra mile. Thank you.
Hello Fred, it's Michael. Thank you for all you did for VUB, Education Science, and myself, and thank you for all you're still doing for humanity. Please don't forget you're always welcome home. Akwaba.
Hi Professor, I just wanted to say hi and thank you so much for being yourself. You've definitely made this experience at VUB so cool, and it would not have been the same experience without you. So I really appreciate who you are as a person and who you are as a professor, and I hope that one day you are able to officially relax and retire. But until then, I'm really happy that I was able to participate in your classes and experience knowing you. So thank you.
Hi Professor Mednick. I wanted to thank you for being an amazing teacher. I had a great time going to your class. You were very supportive to us. So really a big thank you.
Hi Professor Mednick, and greetings from Paris. I wanted to thank you for continuously challenging us through impossible dilemmas in our master's degree, and also for your continuous support to achieve our academic and professional goals. Thank you very much.
Hi, Professor. Thank you so much for all the work you have done in education. You are a source of inspiration. I hope you have a very joyful next chapter. See you.
Professor Fred, thank you for giving the word to every single student, for turning the whole world into our classroom. I'm lucky, I'm honored, and I'm very proud to follow your courses.
I would like to thank Professor Mednick for his inspiration, his motivation, and his warmth with which he works with his students. His insights, especially on teacher networks, continue to inspire me during my professional life a lot. Thank you so much.
Hello, Professor Mednick. Congratulations on your retirement as a VUB professor. A good work done. Love you. Bye.
Hi. During my master's studies at VUB, you've been the professor that has impacted me the most, and I could not have wished for a better mentor for my thesis. Working under your guidance has been an honor. Thank you.
Hello, Professor Mednick. I'm so happy to see you back at VUB, and I must say that you are filled with the tsunami of knowledge about education and about teachers. Thank you so very much for transferring this knowledge to all your students, and thank you so very much for whatever you have done for us and for the university.
Hi, Fred. You remember that I didn't really enjoy your stories in the beginning, but I finally understand them and I appreciate your answers even more. So I'm really looking forward to more stories that you're gonna tell us. Enjoy your retirement and see you soon.
Hello, Professor Mednick. I've never seen a lecturer in my lifetime who goes above and beyond in terms of giving feedbacks. May your impact endure and may you inspire many people like myself. Thank you.
Hi, Fred. I literally feel smarter just knowing you. So thank you for everything. You are the best.
Hello, Professor Fred. I wanted to express my heartfelt appreciation for your inspiring dedication to my learning journey. Your passion and guidance have truly shaped my academic growth. Thank you so much for being an exceptional mentor.
I will always remember you as an inspiring professor who made me realize why I'm so passionate about education. Know that you and your courses will be missed at VUB.
Hello, Professor Mednick. I hope you still remember me, but in any case, I do remember you particularly for your interesting and challenging assignments in your courses. And for that, I want to thank you because they have been enriching and meaningful learning experience. And well, I just wish you the best in your new projects and hope to see you around. Bye.
Hi Fred, thank you for all the inspiring talks. Even though you were only once in a while at VUB, I really enjoyed talking to you and catching up, so thank you.
Hello Fred, it's Marta here. I just would like you to know that you played a fundamental role in helping me find my passion and purpose in the field of education. And your courses have been for me an incredible source of inspiration, both personally and professionally, but also of enjoyment, critical reflection, awareness, and I do miss them a lot. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you.
Let's come together, teachers with love for this. We live to save the world.
Hello, Professor Mednick. This is Gordon. Thank you very much for contributing immensely towards my education at VUB.